Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, just directly to this topic. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about journals. So, firstly, I need to talk about what journal is. Okay, so the journal here is the simplified of research report. Simplified of research report. So, usually a research report contains of 40 or more pages, and in here the journal here is contained of 10 until 20 pages only. So everything happened in the research report is written down in these journals. So the main point here is the same with the research report, but it is the simplified form. And somehow, in other words, we can say that this is only the summary of research report. In here we have two journals. This is my journals. These journals, my journal here, in here, have been uploaded into a local journal called Metaphor. This is national journal, and journal Metaphor in Sastra, in Prodi Sastra. And but here, from here, I have, this is the original site, and but the format is the same, just like this. The format is the same, but in this one, I have not submitted in the journal in Metaphor. But if you want to see the Metaphor format, you can check the journal directly. You can see the journal. I have provided the link there. Okay, so the second journal here is from Indonesian Journal of Applied Linguistics. Okay, so this is a national journal. Okay, HTTPS A journals UP index. Okay, so we can compare it. This is the basic format, and this is the format after it is published. So after it is published, we have the cop like this, the head. Yeah, the head, volume, number, and this is the date. Yeah, the date. This is the date, and this is the month, and pages. And what I have here is the basic format before it is uploaded. Okay, and this is journal is written by Kusamiah Dahlan Diem and Umar Abdullah. Okay, so firstly we will talk about the journals. What happened in here is promoting multiculturalism. Multicultural teachers, English proficiency, and multiculturalism. Since this is the title, this is the title of the journal, and then this is the, after that we have the author in here, author. This is author, and this is the instantiation of, oh no, this is the, okay, email. Yeah, email, the contact person of the author in here, and this is the instantiation of the author. Yeah, misalnya Dahlan, Department of Language and Art Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Sriwijaya University. Okay, this is a journal made by a lecturer, but however the format journal here is standard in somehow, but only a little bit different in the form of format. For example, here the name is, yeah, like this. You see, it is in the left and it is in the middle. It is in the middle and it is in the left. And abstract here is in the middle. Yeah, and in the middle, and there is a box here. And this is the abstract here is in the left side. The format of the journal. So every journal has their own format, but the main point of the format, for example, This is the sequence, yeah, the sequence. Politeness, and this is title, and this is the author. It is the same, and then abstract, and then politeness. This is the abstract. Okay, we have the same, and keywords. This is after it is published, then there will be yeah, something like this, and this is before it is published. So however, this is the first page of the journal of research journal, and the next we have introduction here directly. Okay, directly we have introduction, and then what we have introduction, it is the same with what is it, research result, research report is the same, but however this is the summary of research report, and yeah, you can see in here, this is, we have the same, yeah. Okay, I need to see you the format of which journal. Okay, this journal, yeah, not my journal. However, the journal that I provided here as the example is not the best one. This one is not the best one, and this one also is not the best one. So they are not the best one. And I hope after see this example, I hope that you can make a better journal than this one. Okay. So I need to use this. I need to make it into full screen. Okay, let's see. First is abstract. Yeah, the abstract here contains of how many words? It seems just like 200 words or something. Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is the word. How many? 130. Yeah, 130 words. So it almost the same. It is about 150. Yeah, it's about 150, and it contains of this one. This is the introduction, the background of study. Okay, the background of study here, the main point. This is also background of study, the second sentence. The study reveals that this is the result of the study in chapter 4 of the research result. Okay, next we have we have this one, and somehow we must have a methodology. The study aims, okay, this is the purpose of the study, and cultural background, teaching, questionnaire. This is the method of research, the methodology, how the data is collected here, the data collection here. Okay, so we have introduction, background of study, the purpose of the study, yeah, and then we have data collection method, and then the study reveals that this is the result of study and analysis, and all chapter 4 in research result is described in this, is also in the short term here. Okay, this is keywords. So the abstract is about general overview of the research, So if you want to see somebody research, you need to see the abstract first, to see the general overview, and for the detail we will see from the beginning. In the journal, it is introduction containing of background of study, why the researchers conducted this research, why the researchers choose this title, why the researchers think that this title is interesting and different with other research, why the researchers decide that this is a good topic, or this is the best topic for him. Okay, not the best topic, but the best topic for the condition. Okay, introduction, background of study, ya, intinya itu. In this global era, English literacy is vital, and the first paragraph here containing the general idea, okay, containing the general idea, and yeah, the general idea is still the same. It is just the elaboration, and it is more specific. The lack literacy is assumed to be partly related to inadequate English proficiency of Indonesian English teacher. Okay, it begins to enter the main idea. The result of teacher English competency test is carried out in South Sumatra, Lembaga Penjaminan Mutu Pendidikan, LPMP 2012. So that only blah 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 from blah 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 blah. This is the background condition. Yeah, this is the general condition, and this is the fact found in the field. The fact found in the field, and it is goes to specific term in the paragraph 2. The fact happened in the field, yeah, and the third paragraph here, recognition of the pluralistic nature of population within the geographic boundaries calls for education to build, understand, and develop blah, 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 diversity. It is the elaboration of this one. The other condition, the other reason, yeah, the other reason. While importance of English teacher, other reasons also, but all the reason here has directed to the title. It's generated in relation. It is related to the title in relation. And then, while the importance of English teacher here, success in professional development has been extensively discussed in literature. Yeah, it is another reason, and so we should go into this term. Relationship between English and multicultural blah blah blah. Okay, English in 21st century and multicultural society. What is it? This is the theory. It begins to enter the chapter 2. Most research and information is available on the internet, and English in dominant blah 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 British Council. These references. Yeah. Reference. EFL students often lack the skill necessary to help them effectively. This is chapter 2 by the author here, paraphrasing this. According to past questions, still the theory. Baptist JR stated that blah blah blah. Okay, and then the second theory is multiculturalism and multicultural education. This is also the theory. The theory. Come to method. Yeah. So let us make a conclusion until this until this page. Introduction contains of it's just 1 pages, 2 pages, yeah. It's just 2 pages of introduction, and then the next is continued by chapter 2, the theory here, chapter 2, and here chapter 2, the theory, chapter 2, yeah, chapter 2, we have chapter 2. There are too many theories here that the researchers use many theories, yeah, many references. Although many years ago, blah blah blah, this is still the okay, the Midwest race. The theory here is for about 3 pages. All the theory here. However, in the research result, the theory is for about many pages, more than 10 pages, for example, more than 10 pages. But in here, researcher only only select 1 or 2 important theory that is the most supported idea to analyzing the data. The Midwest race method, this is the method. The data of the study was obtained using measures of perception designed for and used with pre-service and in-service AFL teachers. This is the methodology of collecting data. And this one is methodology of collecting data. The method. This one is the result. This is what we have in chapter 4 in the research result. The chapter 4 here is summarized into this part. How many pages we have here? But in chapter 4 we have many pages, 20 or something, or 25, or many, yeah. But in here it is only summarized into a few. For example, the first pages. Okay. This for what? Okay, let's check out the idea here. The result. The following discussion will be based on the result of the data analyzed concerning variable of the study. So it's based on each variable. This is quantitative research. The approach here is quantitative, I think. Main difference of the pre-service and multicultural education. The total mean score of the teachers are respectively this one, and blah blah blah. And the statistical analysis. The study reveals that teachers' total English proficiency and blah blah is value. This is data result. The data result. In terms of MA total here, there is no difference. Data result. Pearson product, moment, correlation, coefficient between EEP, blah blah blah. Okay, this is the second variable. The second variable here resulted this one. This is the first variable here resulted this one. Only a few paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 paragraphs. The first variable here is pre-service and in-service teacher. Yeah. And then next is English proficiency and multicultural education. And then here the second variable here is Pearson product moment coefficient. And then this is the data conducted in quantitative research. Bingung lihat angka ya. Okay, this is the data. However, the data here has been counted in the research report, and it just copy and paste in here, because before we make a journal here, we make a research first. So the data has been counted accurately there. So the journal here is only the summary to tell the readers easier. Next. Okay, this is the data also. This is the data. So every research has different data, but the data calculation here can be used to count or to analyze other research, the similar research. Yeah, this is the data. Wow, there are so many numbers. Regression analysis. This is the data result, and this is the discussion. Okay, and in here, we have qualitative approach. So the approach of the research is the combination between qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative is used to explain the quantitative data. Discussion, blah 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 blah. We discuss about the data in here. The other discuss about the data. Discussion, data. Conclusion, chapter 5. Okay. Conclusion. The main conclusion drawn from the study is related to teachers. Yeah, this is the conclusion. Implication. Yeah, usually we have implication, we have suggestion, and reference. Okay. Do we have appendix? What is it? Appendix? Yeah. I think no. I think we do not have appendix. We do not appendix in journal. Only the last part of the journal is this one, references or bibliography. Okay. I hope you can understand and summarize my explanation about journal here. This is about the format of the journal and how the idea is arranged in the journal. You see how many pages here? 46 until, oh, it is 12 pages. 12 pages. Okay, this is all the journal. If you want to see in this journal, the format is different here. The format is different. Literary review. Yeah, we have the second literary review. Methodology. Yeah, in a short way, how we get the data, discussion and finding, blah blah blah. Yeah, and conclusion. After that we have references, same format. Okay, I think this is all about journal, and I hope you understand and can summarize my can summarize my explanation here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.